Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm come back again and I just show you new things and new topics. So today I show you how you can disable my phone. I mean find my phone. So on your iPhone. So how you can disable. So if you want to learn this video and you can stay with me, otherwise you can ignore this video and because I don't want to you waste your time. Okay. So first I show you which one I want to disable this one. Find my iPhones or my find my phones. All right. So if you want to disable, then you can just look the settings. Okay, this is the settings option, and just scroll down. No need to scroll down because it's showing right now. You can just tap the your name. Okay, you see similar UI according to your phones. All right, because I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. Maybe it will be little bit changed according to your iPhone model, also your software version. All right. So I just tap here, and if you look the bottom side, you show find my. Then you just tap here. Okay. Here is showing the find my iPhone. It's on right now. I say. So if you want to disable, then you can just tap here. Okay. Then you can just disable like this. You see, disable my or no disable find my network. If you tap here, also you can disable this one send my last location. That's it. It's easy. So thanks for the watching and let me know if you face any problem. Just comment on this video comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.